In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your presentations a creative flair by inserting images into shapes using LibreOffice Impress. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your slides and capture your audience's attention. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or any type of presentation, let's dive right in and start with the basics. First, we need to open or create a new presentation. If you haven't already, turn on your computer and locate the LibreOffice icon. By double-clicking on it, you'll be taken to the Start Center. Here, you'll be greeted with several application choices, but for today, we're focusing on Impress Presentation. Click on it, and you'll have the option to start with either an empty presentation or a template that suits your needs. Once you make your selection, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, let's add some interest to your slides by inserting a shape. Look towards the bottom of your window, and you'll find the Drawing toolbar. This is where you can unleash your creativity with a variety of shapes. Whether you prefer a simple rectangle, a playful star, a directional arrow, or even a business-like circle, select the shape that best complements your presentation. Click on your desired shape, then move your cursor to the slide where it will appear. Click and drag to draw the shape to your preferred size, and voila, your shape is ready for the next enhancement. With the shape in place, we can now insert an image directly into it. To do this, right-click on the shape you've just created. A menu will appear. Select Format Shape or Area, depending on your LibreOffice version. This action opens up the Format Shape dialog, where you'll find various tabs. Your focus should be on the Area tab. Here, under the Fill section, choose Bitmap or Image Fill. This option allows us to import an image into the shape. Click Add or Import, then navigate through your files to find the perfect picture you want to showcase. Select your image, hit Open, and confirm with OK. Instantly, your chosen image will nestle itself inside the shape, adding a dynamic element to your slide. Finally, let's ensure that the image looks just right within the shape. You can easily resize or reposition the shape, and rest assured that the image will automatically adjust along with it. For those of you who are feeling adventurous, head back to the Area tab to explore additional options such as tiling, stretch, or position. These allow you to achieve the perfect fit and alignment for your image within the shape, giving your presentation that extra touch of professionalism. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've not just added an image to a shape, but also enriched the visual appeal of your presentation. Happy presenting, and don't forget to let your creativity shine through in every slide you create.